How to fix Snapchat not full screen. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open Snapchat then and then go to storage. Here on storage go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on first stop and click also OK. And now what you should do, go to this option here, set as a default and open supported links, allow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.